Imagine this. In just 7 days, you could double your memory power. No, not magic. No, not endless hours of boring study. I'm talking about science-backed techniques used by world memory champions, broken down into simple daily steps that you can practice starting today. This is not a lecture. It's a step-by-step training plan. By the end of this week, you'll be sharper, faster, and more confident in your ability to remember anything you choose. So, grab a notebook, because I'm about to take you through the exact 7-day system to train your memory with practical exercises for each day. Let's dive in. Day 1. Foundation, focus, and attention. Memory doesn't start with recall. It starts with attention. If you don't focus in the moment, your brain never stores the memory properly. Exercise for day 1. Pick one task today: reading, listening, or even a conversation. Practice laser focus for 10 minutes. No phone. No multitasking. At the end, write down 3 key details you remember. This simple habit of mindful attention prepares your brain for stronger memory. Day 2. Chunking. Breaking down. Information. Our brain loves patterns. Instead of remembering 941587621, you chunk it. 941-587-621. Exercise for day 2. Take something you're learning, vocabulary, numbers, a speech. Break it into chunks of 3 to 4 pieces. Repeat each chunk, then connect them like puzzle pieces. Chunking reduces overwhelm and makes recall almost effortless. Day 3. Visual association. Your brain is hardwired for images, not words. If I say elephant on a skateboard, you'll picture it instantly. Exercise for day 3. Whatever you want to memorize, turn it into a crazy, exaggerated mental image. Names, lists, or even study material. Link them to pictures. The weirder, the better. This taps into your brain's natural picture memory system. Day 4. The Memory Palace. This is the secret weapon of memory champions, the Memory Palace. Exercise for day 4. Take a place you know well, your home, your street. Assign each spot to a piece of information, walk through it in your mind, and see the info placed there. Suddenly, your brain isn't struggling. It's just taking a mental walk. Day 5. Active recall and spaced repetition. Here's the truth. Rereading is not memory training. Testing yourself is. Exercise. For day 5, take what you've learned earlier this week. Close your notes. Try to recall as much as possible. Then review only what you forgot. Do this again tomorrow, then 3 days later. That's spaced repetition, the brain's favorite way of locking knowledge long-term. Day 6. Brain and body connection. You can't double your memory if your brain is running on fumes. Exercise for day 6. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. That's when memories consolidate. Move your body. Even a 20-minute walk boosts oxygen to your brain. Fuel up. Omega-3s, nuts, blueberries, proven memory foods. Treat your brain like an athlete treats their muscles. Day 7. Teach to remember. Want the ultimate test of memory? Teach it. If you can explain an idea clearly, you've truly mastered it. Exercise for day 7. Take one subject you've practiced this week, explain it to a friend, or even record yourself teaching it. Notice the gaps. That's where you need to reinforce. Teaching is remembering on a whole new level. So here's your 7-day memory transformation plan. Day 1. Focus. Day 2. Chunking. Day 3. Visual association. Day 4. Memory palace. Day 5. Active recall. Day 6. Brain and body care. Day 7. Teach it. Follow these steps, and you won't just double your memory, you'll start seeing yourself as someone who can learn faster, remember longer, and recall instantly. If you're serious about upgrading your memory, hit that subscribe button and join us here on Smart Memory Hub. And let me know in the comments, which of these 7 steps are you starting?